Jai Gurudev. Uh, Today we are going to discuss 10th class topic regarding in economics. Uh, in that most important chapter, globalization and the Indian economy. Most important. Without this lesson, there is no question paper. So most important topic. So be with clear concept, and as well as while I am saying the topic, try to refer in the notes. Most important topic in application type of question, how to face in the examination point of view. Also we will discuss in this globalization and the Indian economy. Globalization and Indian economy, the major lesson which will play a key role in economics. So if any doubts or clarifications, you can contact to my number. And at the same time, while completing of this video, I will provide a assignment homework, like a homework compulsory. Everybody want to be respond to that homework. Only few persons only giving the homework. So be clear with that. Homework is also important. Now we are going to important of this lesson. In this lesson, first of all, we have to understand the concept clearly. When you will understand the concept of globalization, how it was playing a major role, impact of globalization across the worldwide. So when you know the concept, then you can easily answer the questions. If you can't know the concept, you cannot give the answers in objective ways. So please be clear. In globalization, we are going to discuss these topics. These are the topics where we are going to discuss in this lesson. What is the lesson name? Globalization. Now we will go to discuss what is the meaning of globalization, how it was enabling with technology, how this globalization was enabled with the technology. At the same time, how it will play a key role for our Indian economy. How will generate the economy? How it will be generate the economy? In this, we will know clear cut of the globalization. How it will be sustainable of the goods and services equal for the all the people, and what is the mean of globalization, what are the impact of globalization, what are the phase struggles of the globalization. We will go to discuss in the topic of the globalization. And in this most important topics we are going to discuss, these are the topics which were used to discuss in the exam in our lesson. So production across country, we will discuss that one. Production across the country. If our country is there, beside of our country, how the production, how these companies will come together, how these companies will form together as MNCs. We will say as the MNCs. What is the mean of MNCs? What are the advantages of MNCs? What are the disadvantages of the MNCs? And how these MNCs will set up the office and production in our country, that will be known clearly here. And interlinking production across the country, how this interlinking in trading, how they will do, what are the international economical changes will be here, and how this education worldwide providing. So total we will discuss here in the topic interlinking production across the country. And we will know about the foreign trade and integration of the market. So before that, we want to know about the MNC. First of all, we want to know about what is mean of globalization. Later, what is the MNCs. After that, we will know what is the variation between the how these MNCs will play a key role in providing of the globalization. Like this, we will know about the MNCs. In MNCs, how the investment will be made. Investment will be made as the foreign investment and foreign trade. What is the mean of foreign investment? What is the mean of foreign trade? We will discuss here in this topic. At the same time, we will discuss about the economic reforms were made in our country during the period of 1991 through the globalization. At that time, 1991, P.V. Narasimha Rao, the Prime Minister of India, he came with three major reforms. LPG, we will call as the LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization. liberalization, privatization, globalization. Economic reforms were formed in the year of 1991 by the P.V. Narasimha Rao government. So that we will discuss deeply in upcoming classes. And what is MNCs and major globalization? So before that, before knowing of the production across the countries, we will know about the globalization. Why? Because if you know the concept, then you can understand the production across country, interlinking production across the country. At the same time, how the foreign trade and integration of the market. So how these MNCs will come here and set up the companies, how they will collaborate with the small companies, and how they will invest, and at the same time how they will earn the huge profits, we were going to discuss in this topic. And well, MNCs and globalization we will discuss together, and how this globalization enable towards further developing of technology. Technology is nothing but internet. Technology is nothing but internet. Now how we are communicating today? See, I am in my hometown, you are in other place. So how we are communicating means through the technology. In technology, how we are communicating means through internet. How this internet playing a key role in the globalization of this worldwide. We will discuss total in this. And liberalization. So removal of the tax barriers is known as the liberalization, giving some certain exemptions in doing of the trading business. For that purpose, we will know about the liberalization. Especially this liberalization involves in the foreign investment, for encouraging of the foreign investment. So by this, what will happen? The foreign trading will be goes. How means by the introducing of the various policies. Like that only P.V. Narasimha Rao introduced a policy that is known as in 1991. At the time, economic regressions were occurred in our country. To escape of that purpose, some policies were introduced by the government. So that is known as liberalization, privatization, globalization. Due to that, companies will come here and they will to invest in our country. We will know about the total topic here. And we will know about the WTO. What is the role of WTO? What is the features of WTO? When this WTO were formed, where is the headquarter of WTO? And full form of WTO. World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. Full form of WTO, features of WTO, and how it will functions WTO. At the same time, when it was appeared, we will discuss in the year. And we will know about the SEDGE also. SEDGE is also most important. Special economical zones. Special economical zones were set up by the central government and state government. Exemption in manufacturing industries, nothing but in production of the industries. They will give some exemptions for the investors. So due to that, investors were used to encouraged to invest in a certain place in a country. So due to that, what will happen? If industry will come in, so employment opportunity will provide. At the same time, the industries will be used to production of the goods for the cheaper rate. Lot of interlinking. This all are the interlinkings will be in the examination point of view. And next one, impact of the globalization in India. So how this globalization impact in our country? Not only in our country, total worldwide the globalization was impacted. Total worldwide the globalization was impacted. How it was impacted, we will know about in this topic. And at the same time, struggle for the fair globalization. So nothing but how to provide in a fair of cost for the people for this globalization of quality with quantity. So these are the topics which were involved in the globalization. What is the globalization? Globalization is nothing but it is an interaction or interaction between two countries. Between two countries, we can say as a globalization, or otherwise we can say it is a process of interaction, integration and interaction among companies, among government, among peoples, among companies, among the government, and how means worldwide, to worldwide, will worldwide. For which purpose means with the increased global inter connections, increased global interactions or interconnections, the growth of international ideas, cultures, okay, now ideas, cultures, technology, etc. This all are will be comes under the globalization. This all are will comes under the globalization. So globalization is a important topic. So we will know about the globalization. What is the meaning of globalization? We will know. After that, we will go for the first topic, production across countries. We will go. Why? Because if you don't know the concept of globalization, we cannot understand this all the things. So for that purpose, I mean, in the textbook, what they have given, in the middle of the topic, they given what is the meaning of globalization. Middle means at that time you will get confusion. So concept is important. Clear concept. Concept. When you know the concept, at the same time you will give the correct answer for the application type of the questions. Why? Because obviously they were used to give the application type of the questions. So here we were used to discuss globalization. These are the topics which were involved in this lesson. We were used going to discuss this topic. These topics are not completed. Just brief introduction of this topic we were going to discuss now in upcoming classes. So here first we will discuss what is mean of globalization. Globalization is nothing but it is a process of rapid integration or interaction between two countries is known as the globalization. We can say like that, or we can say in different ways we can give the answer for the globalization. In different way we can give the answer for the globalization. When it was started means in the middle of the 20th century. In the 20th century, lot of the reforms where changes occur in the worldwide. Today, see what we are doing today. Almost we are seeing various type of digital cameras, mobile phones, smartphones, etc. And we were used to bring that things to our home without going to shop. Means how globalization, how it was changed. The trading, how the trading, buying and selling together is known as trading. So how the changes were occurred. So first of all, globalization. What is the meaning of global? Various definitions are there for the globalization. I will give in 3 or 4 tops of the globalization. Important. It is a globalization. Globalization. What is the meaning of globalization? So everybody want to note. It is important. I will write in the board, and you also try to write in the notes. It is a important. What is mean? One more question also they may ask you. What define globalization? Or objective type also they will ask you in the examination point of view. So globalization. It is a process of. It is a process of integration. It is a process of integration and interaction. Process of integration and interaction among people, companies, and government. Shortcut I am writing. Government worldwide with the increased global interaction. Increased global interactions comes the growth of international trade, ideas, culture, technology. Or we can say this is the globalization is the process. This is the process of rapid integration and or interconnections between countries. Between countries. Okay, so while coming to the globalization, globalization is nothing but it is a process of rapid integration or interconnection between two countries. For which purpose? For investment purpose. Investment means as a foreign trade or as a foreign investment. First they will do here investment here. Later what they production of the goods and services. Later what they will do, it will be used to as export to the other countries or in the same country. So foreign trade, nothing but for earning of huge profit purpose, this process. So globalization is a process of integration and interconnection between two countries. We will take some examples also in upcoming topic. We will know about some two examples, then you will understand clearly regarding what is mean of the globalization. Okay, and we're coming to here globalization, we can say here also in way it is nothing but it is a integration and interaction among people by doing here. What happened now, MNCs companies, due to the COVID-19, people are now at home. From home only they are doing the work, means people are interactioning. Today we are interacting, so I am interacting with you, you are interacting with me. So at the same time companies stay at home, work from home, like that. At the same time government is also following the same, means it is a process of interaction among the peoples or among the companies or among the government, total worldwide, not only our India. In India states, see what happened today, all countries are communicating together they are communicating. So like this the peoples and companies, government worldwide, they are communicating. So they are communicating each other, for which purpose? For the growth of their country purpose, for the growth of the country purpose and for the growth of the international purpose. So in various ways, not in one way. In trading, international trading, nothing but what are the goods and services, the sellers and buyers are together is known as a trading. Okay, domestic trade will be there, international trade will be there. Domestic trade will be nothing but in our country what the goods and why the buyer and seller together sell their goods is known as the domestic trading. But the person who will sell from one country to another country or two more countries is known as the international trading. International Amazon, now you see the Amazon company, total worldwide it is there. So we can say now impact of globalization, we can say the Amazon company impact of the global. Flipkart, like different companies where came together, nothing but they came together to share of the trading to business, and at the same time ideas, cultures, technology, etc. Our country culture today, all countries are knowing about our traditions, our cultures. At the same time technology were changed a lot. Now today recently we taken some aircrafts, like Rafale aircrafts which were came to our country from France. So sharing of the technologies, like this technologies, culture, idea, trading of all goods and services, not only one goods and services, all goods and services which are used. See now we can take a smartphone Apple. So where it is there, now it is coming to our country. So how it is? By the globalization. That's why globalization is a process of interaction and integration for the between the two countries. At the same time it were used in the process of integration and interaction among the companies, and government worldwide, providing the global interaction, nothing but to increase the global interaction, to expand the global interaction, overall the growth of the international trade, ideas, culture, technology, etc. we will known as the globalization. So it will define nothing but integration between the countries. How sir means by the foreign trade and foreign investment. How means by foreign trade and foreign investment. Foreign trade or foreign investment and foreign trade, FTFI. So we will discuss in the production across the country. in that what is mean of investment, what is the mean of the foreign investment, and what is the mean of the trade, we will discuss. So the countries which were coming from other countries known as the foreign countries. Okay, now, and we are coming to here for which purpose means by how means by MNCs, by MNCs. What is mean by MNCs? Multinational companies, multinational companies. So multinational companies. So globalization is defined as the integration. Globalization is defined as the integration that countries through foreign investment and foreign trading by multinational companies. By multinational companies. For which purpose? Increasing the foreign trade. Increasing in the foreign trade. In increasing of migration. In increasing of the migration. And in increasing of employment opportunities. By increasing of the involvement of public and private companies. Okay, now by increasing of public and private companies through worldwide is known as the globalization, and next in globalization we will see some international economical changes. In international economical changes we will see in three parts. First space, second part, third part. In first part, what will be there? Trading of goods and services will be there. So trading, what is mean of trading? Where the buyers and sellers which were met together for the goods and services is known as trading. So while coming to here globalization. So globalization is important in examination point of view. So I hope you understood about the globalization. It is nothing but is a process of rapid integration or interaction between two countries. Among two countries is known as the globalization. So globalization involve in various aspects. What are that we can see now. So regarding it where the globalization where for which purpose means for communication. So globalization played in key role communicating the information from one person to another person. Receiver will be there, sender will be there. Sender were used to send the message. Receiver will be takes the information. Again he decode and again he will send the information. So communications also playing key role in globalization. Next one, technology. So technology especially what means internet. So internet. Today how we are communicating together through internet. Today we are met together through internet. Together here as internet by using of technology. So globalization involves in communication, in technology, and globalization involved in culture. So sharing among the culture from one country to another country. Today we are taking the Chinese food. So food of culture. It is also one type of culture. So like different Italian food, Chinese food, different type of the food culture, different type of the culture traditions from one place to another country. It was passing the globalization. At the same time, we are knowing about the environment. We are knowing about the through globalization. We are knowing about the environment. We are knowing about the poverty. Through the help of the globalization, we are knowing about the poverty, and as well as we are doing the free trade. We are doing the free trade, and at the same time shrinking world. Shrinking world is nothing but impact of the technology. Today what we are living in the world. So it also globalization. These are the major role of globalization impacting towards here, and about brand items, free trading, poverty, and accountability, And at the same time, globalization we were used to know regarding integration of economics, integration of economic, and we are knowing outsourcing, by globalization there is growth and exploitation. So these are the things we were used to know here in the equality, inequality. See, globalization is the rapid growth of an integration or interconnection between two countries, or among the people, or among the government, or among the countries, or among the countries, to increase the growth of globalization in the in the international trade, ideas and culture. At the same time, globalization playing a key role in communication. How means by sending the information and receiving the information, communicating each other. Today, how we are communicating? The same way, globalization playing key role. These all are the major parts which playing in the globalization. So we are communicating. By how we are communicating? Through technology we are communicating. Technology nothing but by helping of the internet. So globalization was shrinking the world. It was shrinking the world by using of technology through the internet, by communicating each other, by knowing of our culture, by knowing of our culture, or by other cultures, other countries cultures, for the growth and exploitation of our. By how means? By the integration of the economic. So it will be help in the growth of the wealth of a country. Globalization plays a major role in providing of trading among one country to another country by the help of the MNCs, multinational companies. So like this, here globalization is also accountability. It will be gives the information. Now you see in Amazon's, you know, the price also they will show the price, and they will show the quantity, quality. At the same time, they will give some warranties also for some products. So accountability, and some branded items also. Now we can sitting at home, and by using of the smartphone we can get the lot of valuable branded items. Means globalization, branded items also from one country to another country. It was giving opportunity for the people doing the services, providing the production of goods and services. So like this, some equality inequalities also, variations also showing in the globalization for among the rich people and middle class and poor class. By using of the products, it is showing the lot of variations. And at the same time, globalization, nowadays we are knowing about the poverty. How you know about Africa is a poverty country, poverty country? How we know? Means through the globalization. Through the globalization we are interacting with them. So we are knowing about which country is underdeveloped and developing countries, which country is suffering with poverty, below poverty, and above poverty we will see. So there is no rich and poor. We will see below poverty and above poverty in the economic standards. Below poverty means the people who can't afford to purchase the food, clothing, shelter is known as the below poverty. The people who can afford for that is known as the above poverty. Like that only we used to see. We won't see the rich and poor variation in the economy. So like this, this played a key role. And the environment, we by the globalization, today we are knowing the environment. Why? Because some countries, for development of the growth of their countries, they are utilizing the natural resource. What we consumption is needed that much only, but they are utilizing more than the consumption. It was harming the environment. So for that purpose, global warming also coming. So for this purpose, all the companies will become joined together like global summit. They will join together and they will discuss regarding the environment issues, or environmental protection acts, to bring to safeguard of our earth, to safeguard of earth, like that they were used to discuss here in the globalization topic. This is a globalization. I hope you understand about the globalization. What is the mean of globalization we discussed, and how the globalization plays among impact of this all parts, and at the same time globalization defined for which purpose means also we discussed for integration between two countries through the function of the foreign investment and foreign trade, for which purpose, for the growth of the country, for the growth of the country. Like this globalization is important. And here globalization were taking three types of the movement. So what are that we will see here. So what are the means three types of movement: interconnection, inter-economical changes, exchanges, international economical exchanges, international economical exchanges. Three types of the movements were taken in the globalization. Three types of the movements were taken in the globalization. So what are that we will see here. What are that we will see here. So coming to here, we are going to see three types of movements, three types of the movements in within or in international economical exchange. International economical exchange. What are the three types? First one, second one, and third one. What are the three types we are going to discuss? First one, trade in goods and service. Trade in goods as well as service. Second one, we will see regarding flow of labor. Flow of labor where migration of people in search of employment opportunity. Third one, we are discussing regarding the capital form. Capital for short and long investment. Short and long investment. Here globalization here playing hero. So while coming to here, globalization three types of the movement, especially in international economical exchange among one country to another country. One country, but nothing but the interaction or interconnection for the growth of the country across one or two countries known as the globalization. Here three types, nothing but they want to change the economical conditions. They want to improve the economical conditions. How means in the exchanging of the goods and services. In the first way, first how means by trading. First how we will do? First by the trading. So trading in what? In production of goods and services. In production of goods and services. In production of goods and services, as well as trading is nothing but I said you already. So trading, international trading will be there, domestic trading will be there. So while coming to the first one is on that one. Second one, the most important, labor. Flow of labor is also important. So labor, workers is also important for the exam. So what are that means? Migration of people in search of employment. Migration of people in search of the employment is also important. Migration of people in search of employment. So first one, trading. So trading in goods and services. Second one, flow of labor. First one, trading or trade. Second one is flow of labor. Third one, capital. These three reforms, the three types of the movement were in international economical exchange. International economical exchange in globalization playing a key role in trading as well as flow of labor and as well as capital. So capital. So compulsory investment is needed. Either short term or long term of investment are compulsory needed in the production of the goods. In the production of the goods. At the same time, flow of labor. Labor is also important. That's why people were used to migrate.